BA and BCom Degree College, Sampaganagar, Dharwad. Last class we have discussed about the problems based on internal reconstruction. First, capital reduction problems are now solved. In this class we have to study next problem regarding the capital reduction account. The following is the balance sheet of Vinod Limited as on 31st 12/2002. Liabilities, assets. In liabilities, share capital 30,000 preference shares of rupees 10 each, rupees 3 lakh, and then 30,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, 3 lakh. 30,000 into 10 is equal to 3 lakh. And then creditors 70,000, bills payable 30,000. Next, asset side, goodwill 40,000, building 2 lakh 70,000, and then machinery rupees 1 lakh 20,000, patents 50,000, and then stock 30,000, debtors 1 lakh. Next, cash 10,000, and then preliminary expenses or the formation expenses 20,000, and then profit and loss account 6 lakh. To both side total 7 lakh. The following scheme of reconstruction adjustment. The following scheme of reconstruction was as follows. First one, that the equity shares be reduced to an equal number of fully paid up shares of rupees 5 each. That the number of preference shares be reduced to an equal number of fully paid up shares of rupees 7 each. And then the amount so available is utilized as follows. Written off completely. 50,000 is to be written off building, and 30,000 is to be written off machinery, 5,000 to be written off stock. Provision for doubtful debts is to be maintained at 5% on debtors, and the balance available is to be utilized for return of the patents. Pass the necessary journal entries and prepare the balance sheet of the company. First, we have to calculate the capital reduction of a company. The given information is, first, the equity shares can be reduced to an equal number of shares of rupees, equal number of shares of rupees 5 each. And second one, the preference shares reduced to an equal number of shares of rupees 7 each. The preference shares can be reduced to an equal number of shares of rupees 7 each. Of rupees 7 each. First, total number of equity shares rupees 30,000. Total number of preference shares is 30,000. Equity shares also 30,000 and preference shares also 30,000. Now, reduced to itondra we have to consider in the balance sheet, and reduced by ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. reduced to total face value rupees 10, both the shares, preference shares as well as equity shares. ನಮಗೆ preference shares ಅದು total face value 10 and then equity shares face value 10. Next, equity shares reduced to ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, 5 shares ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. and then preference shares rupees 7 each. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 10 minus 5 is equal to ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ capital reduction. Capital reduction. Particulars and rupees. First, 30,000 preference shares of rupees 10 each fully paid up. First one, 30,000 preference shares of rupees 10 each. It can be reduced to an equal number of shares and reduced to an equal number of shares of rupees 7 each. Of rupees 7 each. It means reduced by, it means reduced by rupees 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. How much? 30,000 into 3. 30,000 into 3 is equal to 90,000 rupees. 90,000 rupees. Next, second working note says 30,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. Equity shares of rupees 10 each, and it can be reduced to an equal number of shares of rupees 5 each. It can be and reduced to an equal number of shares of rupees 5 each. It means reduced, it means reduced by shares of rupees, total number of total face value 10 and then minus reduced to 5 is equal to 10 minus 5 is equal to how much? 5. Next, 30,000 into 5 is equal to how much? 30,000 into 5 is equal to 1,50,000. 1,50,000. 90 plus 1,50,000 is equal to 2,40,000. 2,40,000 is the capital reduction amount. Total capital reduction amount is 2,40,000. Preference shares 90,000 and then equity shares 1,50,000 rupees. Now next entry, next method ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ, ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Now next, write on the heading journal entries in the books of journal entries in the books of of Vinod Company Limited. Vinod Company Limited. Particular LF debit and credit. Now first in preferential capital account debited, equity share capital account debited to capital reduction account. Preferential capital account debited, equity share capital account debited to capital reduction account. To capital reduction account being 30,000 preference shares of rupees 10 each, and it can be reduced to an equal number of shares of rupees 5 each, and 30,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, and it can be reduced to an equal number of equity shares of rupees 7 each, Now total capital reduction is 2,40,000, and then equity share capital 90,000 and 1,50,000. Working note number 1. ಏನು capital reduction calculate ಮಾಡಿ total preferential capital account debited, equity share capital account debited to capital reduction account being 30,000 preference shares of rupees 10 each, and it can be reduced to an equal number of shares of rupees 5 each, and 30,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, it can be reduced to an equal number of shares of rupees 7 each. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ನೀವು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನಾವು 1 ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಸೇಮ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. Second journal entry, capital reduction account debited how much 2,40,000, and then next to goodwill, to preliminary expenses, to profit and loss account, to building, to machinery, to stock, to debtors, to different amount. Now we have to transfer the patents account. ನೋಡ್ರಿ preliminary expenses, discount on issue of shares, discount on issue of debentures, profit and loss account, goodwill account, formation expenses, preliminary expenses ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡದೇ ಇರಲಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು goodwill account, to preliminary expenses account, to profit and loss account, to building account. Now goodwill 40,000 and then preliminary expenses 20,000, profit and loss account 60,000 and then building rupees 50,000. Now next machinery. Next machinery and stock. To machinery and to stock. Now machinery of rupees 30,000 and then stock of rupees 5,000. 30,000 and then 5,000. Next, debtors. PDD to debtors 5% into 1 lakh. 5% into 1 lakh is equal to 50,000. 5% into 1 lakh is to 50,000. Next, to patents. To different amount we have to transfer the patents account. 2,40,000 minus 40,000 minus 20 minus 60 minus 50,000 minus 30,000 minus 5,000 and then minus 50,000. Differences amount we have to transfer the patents account, that is 30,000 rupees. 30,000 ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಪೇಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Being narration, being capital reduction amount, capital reduction amount is to be utilized for writing of the preliminary expenses, next profit and loss account and then building, next machinery, next stock and then debtors. Difference amount we have to transfer the which account? Patents account. We have to transfer the patents account. I hope you will understood the calculation of capital reduction and how to pass the journal entries regarding the capital reduction amount. Next point is scheme of reconstruction. Scheme of reconstruction, when the need for reconstruction of a company arises, the company has to obtain the sanction of the court for reduction of a capital. Accordingly, scheme of reconstruction is formed by the company if the articles of association permits it to do so. So special resolution has to be passed by the company to that effect in the general meeting. The same has to be confirmed by the court. Generally, the following are the steps to be taken for formulating the scheme of reconstruction. First one is the estimation of total loss. The proper estimation of the total loss is to be made taking into the account of accumulated losses fictitious assets and the portion of over-evaluation of the tangible and intangible assets, and the arrears of dividend payable to the preference shareholders and unrecorded and the contingent liabilities, and the dividend payable to the preference shareholders and unrecorded and the contingent liabilities, etc. The total amount of loss of asset is to be reduced by any profit on revaluation of assets and liability. Second one, writing of the estimated total loss. The total estimated loss ascertained in the above manner is written by reducing the share capital of the capital and the various creditors, etc. In general, the person who suffer the losses are in order of equity shareholders, debenture holder, preference shareholder, unsecured creditors, secured creditors, etc. as sacrificed by them considering the risk involved. If the company goes into a liquidation, the equity shareholders will suffer the maximum losses. The lesser amount of the loss will be suffered by a preference shareholders, and sometimes the unsecured creditors or the debenture holders will have to suffer the still losses, lesser amount of loss depending upon the position of the assets of the company. Last point is compensating the parties for sacrifice. The parties who have agreed to sacrifice are to be compensated except the equity shareholder. It means the rate of dividend has to be increased for the preference shareholders, rate of interest for creditors and the debentures, additional securities if necessary. Next class we will discuss about the balance sheet. Either problem ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.